just got done pulling off the head. There is quite a bit of build-up on the valves. Quite a bit of sediment build-up. There's quite a bit of build-up within the coolant system of the head. Middle of a thunderstorm right now. Again, quite a bit of build-up on the actual pistons. Yeah, but cleaned them up. Looks pretty good. Just the rockers. Okay.